Hello guys, good morning. As usual, I'm here in the balcony to have sunlight for a while before I continue cleaning the house. You wanna see the sun? There. That's the sun. And that's the view in the back of the house. There. There. The back and that is the cemetery. Ayan. The sun is in my back. Ayan. And the bird. Happy weekend, guys. It's weekend again. How many days more, and the January is almost done. The February is coming. February is the month of the heart. Very cold. The aircon in also outside. That's why I'm wearing jacket always. Later I'm gonna clean this glass window outside. Yesterday I already cleaned inside. Tomorrow I want to go walking, maybe only in the around the palace. Just very cold in the sea, in the beach, so cold. Only here I can go walk around in the side of the wall in the palace, but the video in the picture is not allowed in the wall in the palace. That's why I won't be able to get a video and picture because it's photo and video is not allowed. Almost sitting, guys. I just want to have a little sunlight before I continue cleaning. I already mop one time, but I need to mop again because the cleaning, the liquid cleaning is sticky in the floor. That's why I need to mop again. It's a nice weather today. You wanna see here? Oh, the sun is me. This is my favorite spot in the house every morning, the balcony, because I'm happy to see the sunlight and I'm excited. Imagine how God created the sun. The sun is so high, we cannot reach it, but we can feel the heat from the sun. At night, I can see the moon and the star here outside. But the sunset I cannot see because it's in the other side. But I can see the moon and the star from the sky.